Once upon a time in a quiet village nestled between rolling hills, there lived a young girl named Lily. Lily was known throughout the village for her unwavering determination and her belief that effort was the key to success. From a young age, Lily had a dream to become the best baker the village had ever seen. She spent her days watching her grandmother bake in the cozy kitchen, learning the art of making the most delectable pastries and bread. Her grandmother always told her, "Effort, my dear, is the secret ingredient that makes everything taste better." Lily took those words to heart. She would wake up before dawn, long before the roosters crowed, to knead dough and mix ingredients. Her tiny hands would tirelessly fold and shape each bread roll with care, pouring her heart and soul into every batch. She experimented with new recipes, never fearing failure, because she believed that with every attempt, she was one step closer to perfection. As the years passed, Lily's reputation as a baker began to grow. Her bakery became a hub of the village, with a line that stretched around the corner each morning. People came from far and wide to taste her creations, praising her pastries as the best they had ever eaten. But Lily remained humble. She knew that success was not just about talent, it was about the effort she put into every loaf of bread, every delicate pastry, and every smile she shared with her customers. She knew that the secret to her success was her unwavering dedication and belief in the power of hard work. One day, a renowned pastry chef from the neighboring town came to visit Lily's bakery. She sampled one of Lily's famous fruit tarts and was blown away by its flavor and texture. The chef asked Lily about her secret, expecting to hear about some exotic ingredient or special technique. Lily simply smiled and said, "Effort. Effort is my secret. I put my heart into every pastry I make, and that's what makes them special." The pastry chef nodded, realizing the truth in Lily's words. She left the bakery that day, inspired by the young girl's wisdom. Word of Lily's bakery spread far and wide, and soon, she was invited to compete in a prestigious baking competition. The competition was fierce, with bakers from all over the region showcasing their skills. Lily knew she was up against some of the best, but she was undeterred. With unwavering determination, Lily baked her heart out. She put in the same effort she had put into every pastry in her humble bakery. When the judges tasted her creations, they were astounded by the depth of flavor and the love that seemed to radiate from each bite. In the end, Lily won the competition, and her dream of becoming the best baker had come true. But it wasn't just about the victory, it was about proving that, in the end, effort was the true measure of success. Lily's story became a legend in the village, a testament to the power of determination and hard work. She continued to bake, always striving to improve, and her bakery remained a place where people came not just for delicious pastries but for inspiration. And so, the village learned a valuable lesson from Lily. Effort truly was the secret to success, a lesson they carried with them throughout their lives, knowing that anything was possible with dedication and determination.